So based on these observations, we took a stab at trying to establish some best practices that we saw across the board among these top 50 developers. First, it's really critical that you actually show users, whether it's an tutorial or a manual or some kind of additional information that you present in a creative and fun way on how to make purchases in your application. We found that of the applications that we looked at, the ones that provided a way to, a tutorial to explain how to make a purchase within the application boosted their conversion by about 150%. So they were making about 2.5 times what other applications were making. It's also really helpful if you provide a way to if you explain how to redeem these purchases once you've made them. So you purchase your crystals or your additional level pack. If you have a tutorial or some kind of instruction to show how to use those once they've been purchased, you can increase your conversion rate by about 65%. Also can't overstate the simplicity of the store, a clean store, usually something with tabs or panels. Those are the kinds of in-app purchase experiences that people respond to best. And they typically raise the average revenue per paying user by about 75% over the rest of the store, the average. And finally, as I mentioned, it's critical to tune your catalog, make sure that you balance those prices against the availability in your store, make sure that there's a good balance and that you're not providing too many items in the wrong price points. Again, because of the price sensitivity declining over time, make sure that you have high value or higher priced items in your store so that the people who become comfortable with your application actually have something to purchase. It's also really important to provide additional items over time. So we found that a lot of the applications that we looked